Hey, my lovely friends, welcome back to Quiz Slice. All right, so today we're jumping into Guess the Zootopia 2's character by their voice. Your favorite characters are coming up. Hit like if you love Zootopia, subscribe for more daily quizzes, and comment which one you love most. Okay, now, let's see if you can keep up. Game starts now. All right, let's kick things off with this character. Who's sliding into this moment?
Finally be able to come home.
Woo! Exactly. That's Gary D. Snake. Great start you got there.
Finally be able to come home.
Woo! Okay, now, recognize this energy?
We've been official partners for 1 week. Happy anniversary.
You nailed it again. It's Judy. She's so adorable.
We've been official partners for 1 week. Happy anniversary.
All right, listen close. Which guy right here brings you such a goofy vibe?
Whoops!
Keep it.
Ha! Of course, no one else except Nick.
Whoops!
Keep it.
All right, detectives, 3 choices, but there's only one true gazelle. Which one looking right? And the real Glinda is A. That's the real one. Did you all get it right? Okay, next one. What a spectacular song, isn't it? Can you tell who's singing it?
And we're turning the floor into a zoo.
Obviously, there is no one else except Gazelle.
And we're turning the floor into a zoo.
Okay, now who's stepping in here?
Voice recorder.
And I'll do it with you too.
Amazing, guys, that's correct. It's Bellwether indeed.
Voice recorder.
And I'll do it with you too.
All right, recognize this iconic pair?
Wow, that was almost a compliment.
Your worst idea is what you did with your ears.
Of course, see our lovely duo, Nick and Judy. They are perfect.
Wow, that was almost a compliment.
Your worst idea is what you did with your ears.
Selfie video again? Yet this one is different. Would you rather stick with the original iconic selfie that started everything, or go full TikTok mode with the trendy viral version? Tell us which one you choose.
Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be only reason we are here is to say.
Okay, now, eyes up. This adorable powerhouse appears in a flash. So who are we looking at?
Turn it off! So, we should probably get to the...
It's Paulbert. Yeah, that's perfect. Great catch.
Turn it off! So, we should probably get to the...
Okay, who's this stylish cutie?
Mwah.
No, you said we were gonna make some...
Judith's on the board.
Mwah.
No, you said we were gonna make some...
Okay, now, quick reflexes. Who's popping onto the screen right here?
You wanna find find you a reptile, I am your gal. Breathe it in.
Yeah, that's exactly Nibbles.
You want to find you a reptile, I am your gal. Breathe it in.
I wonder whose voice this is.
Hauser, we need backup!
Oh, yes, oh, backup! Send it!
Aha! My, that was Clawhauser. I couldn't tell.
Hauser, we need backup!
Oh, yes, oh, backup! Send it!
All right, here comes a banger. How are you rating this track?
We're wild and we can't be tamed, and we're turning the floor into a zoo.
Cast your vote. Fire, good, meh, bad, or awful. All right, slow and steady, huh? Recognize anything from those two words?
Flash, 100-yard dash.
No problem.
Yep, that's Flash. Easy peasy.
Flash, 100-yard dash.
No problem.
Let's stop 1 sec and try to spot all three differences here. Bam! Right on target. You are absolutely unstoppable. Such a playful voice? I don't know. Can you guess it?
I put a little train there because I know you like trains.
Toot toot.
Yep, Finnick. Nice guess.
I put a little train there because I know you like trains.
Toot toot.
Hold up, can you name it?
Fail at this case.
Absolutely right. It's Chief Bogo.
Fail at this case.
I wonder whose voice this is.
You say justice is dead. I say
Aha! That was Wind Dancer.
You say justice is dead. I say
All right, do you know that voice?
Focus on what matters most. Being grandpapa to my little...
That's Mr. Big.
Focus on what matters most. Being grandpapa to my little...
You know that voice instantly, don't you?
save the city once. I reckon you can save it again.
Yep, that's Jesus.
Save the city once. I reckon you can save it again.
Choose your anthem. Would you rather listen to Zoo and go feral or sing Try Everything like you're the main character in your room? Okay now, who's taking this soda spray right here? Another new guy on the board. That's Paul. Okay, next clip. Who's this little therapy talkie lady?
Has chosen to see Joel's smile as a sign of aggression.
That's Dr. Fuzzbee on the spot. Did you get it right?
Has chosen to see Joel's smile as a sign of aggression.
All right, who's this chaotic little guy?
Isom.
It's Duke Weaselton.
Isom.
All right, big decision coming up. Would you rather choose no more Zootopia movies ever? Or would you rather keep the fun going and share your favorite Zootopia characters down the comment instead? I mean, this is quite easy to choose, right? Nice job. You really crushed this Zootopia 2 challenge. Thanks for guessing along with us today. It's always fun to have you here. If you enjoyed the game, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which character song was your favorite. All right then, see you in the next quiz. Goodbye and good night.